Welcome to another episode of Crafting with Kitties. We are partnering with Gato Coffehouse Cat Cafe and featuring their adoptable kitties. Please visit gatocoffeehouse.com to view all of their adoptable kitties and to schedule your visit. Today's crafting video will be featuring Sweetie Pie and Gislin. Both kitties are adoptable. For today's Saturday Crafternoon, we will be making a Kitty Cat Pom-Pom ball. For today's craft, you will need craft felt or flannel, a ruler, scissors, cotton string or yarn, a marker, catnip, and bonus, crafty kitties. Let's meet the kitties. Hi, Sweetie Pie. Hi, Peppa. Hi there, Graciela. Hi, Freya. Hi there, Sherlock. Lynx and Sunny are inspecting today's crafting supplies. Sunny gave us permission to start crafting. First, grab a sheet of your felt or flannel and a ruler and your pen or marker. Thanks for your help, Sunny. Use your marker or pen to draw a line measuring your felt strips 2 inches wide by 12 inches long. Once you have the felt strips measured out, use your scissors to cut. Sunny is getting excited. Once you have your strips cut out, grab one strip and fold it in half lengthwise. After you fold the strip in half lengthwise, make sure to crease the fold so it stays put. Then fold your lengthwise strip in half. Now, hold your strip so that the lengthwise fold is facing the top. Use your scissors to cut smaller strips down the length of your folded piece of felt or flannel, making sure not to cut through the fold at the top. When you're finished, unfold your lengthwise strip and notice that you have a fringe on both sides with a solid center. Smooth it out, and then grab your string or yarn, then grab your ruler and measure out about 18 inches twice, or 36 inches total for your string of yarn. Cut as needed. Now set your string aside and start rolling your long strip of fringed felt or flannel into a tight cylinder. Once you finish rolling your flannel, use your string or yarn to tie a knot around the center securely. Maybe wrap the string around a couple of times before tying your knot. Once you've finished tying your string onto your felt cylinder, trim as needed. Now we are going to fluff out the top and the bottom of our felt fringe to make it look like a ball. Or like a pom-pom. All done! Great job! Now hold your pom-pom up and let the kitties admire it. Another option is to use some spray catnip to entice your kitties, or to use natural catnip and dip your felt pom-pom in the catnip before giving it to your kitties for playtime. This will make the cats go wild. Uh-oh, looks like they're getting a little frisky already. This craft is super fast and easy to make, so you can make as many pom-poms as you want for all of your kitties. Looks like Jameson is a fan of the green pom-pom. Uh-oh, the kitties are fighting over the pom-poms. Let's make sure we leave them with enough toys. Uh-oh, it looks like Sweetie Pie doesn't like sharing the spotlight. Jameson's new favorite is the purple pom-pom. It looks like Sherlock has found the pink pom-pom. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Crafting with Kitties. Remember, you can meet all of the kitties featured in today's crafting video at El Gato Coffeehouse, or you can look up their bios on animaljusticeleague.org or elgatocoffeehouse.com. Happy Catterday!